Hi, I'm Deborah from South Essex Slings, and I'm going to go through optimising a narrow-based carrier. So I'm using a babybjorn original here, but I could be using any carrier with a narrow base that doesn't support baby from knee pit to knee pit across their thighs. So I'll pop this on. So first thing, this cross on your back, get that in the centre of your shoulder blades, roughly bra strap level, but if that cross is too high, all of baby's weight will be pulling on the top of your shoulders and it's not going to be very comfortable. So the cross moves on the straps, so just jiggle it around a bit until it's low enough to keep you as comfortable as possible, and tighten it up. You don't want this loose or baby will be too loose. So tighten it up so you're nice and snug in the harness with that cross nice and low. Then you're ready for baby. So holding baby in position, you would like their head to be up on the firm part of your chest so that they are easily visible. Bring the panel up over them, pop them in. Now, as you can see, the base of this carrier is very narrow and baby's legs are hanging down. We want baby's legs to be up in the M shape with a nice pelvic tilt, so their pelvis is tilted towards you and their knees are up higher than their bottom. So to achieve this, we can use a scarf. I'm going to pop this round baby and help their legs into the position we want them to be in. So, position baby's legs. You can hook the material up under that carrier as much as you can. Pull all this nice and tight up there. Same on the other side, into the back of baby's knee pit. Pull it all nice and tight. Then with this bit, I'm going to hook it round the strap. Same on the other side. So pull that nice and tight so that baby's legs are nicely secure, and then that can come back down behind baby's knees and tie in a double knot underneath. Now, any scarf or piece of similarly sized fabric will do the job. And that will help keep baby's knees up above their bottom. That will keep them better supported in the carrier and keep them comfortable for longer. Safety checks remain the same. Are baby's airways clear and visible? Yes, they are. And is baby held tight enough? So if you lean forward, baby's body should not be pulling away from you. If it is, then you can use this scarf in a slightly different way. And instead of tucking it through the straps, we can take it behind us. So the same thing again, tucking it round baby's legs. Again, tuck it in behind baby's knees. Make sure baby's knees are in the right position. Pulling it all nice and snug behind you and tie it in a double knot behind you. Now, not only will this help to bring baby's knees up slightly higher than their bottom, but it will also hold their body close to you. Now, baby's body stays close to mine now, so we are safe, clear airways, held nice and tight, and comfort wise we're in a better position. Nice pelvic tilt, knees up higher than bottom, nice and smooth over their spine, and I'm comfortable. If you want to get baby out of this, you just reverse your steps to get out. If you would like any help with your own carrier, be it narrow based or otherwise, come and see us at a sling meet and we can give you a hand. Thank you.